Warm greetings of the dear students, hoping of your well-being. Today we are going to start with the civics and the chapter number is 13 and name of the chapter is Role of State Government in Health Sector. Students, in chapter number 12, I already explained you about the working of state government, its organs, its higher bureaucrats, ministers, chief minister and governor. And now in this chapter we are going to see about the health sector at state level. Again we are having our old alien friends. They are again here with us and they are trying to solve the mystery. And now the mystery of aliens is related to the health sector. They also understood the government at state level, but they are always curious about to know the other things of the earth. Now they know about the working of the various government departments. From there, we are taking health department. They reached who? Aliens. Airport and took a flight to Delhi. And when they entered in the airport, they saw a group of government officials. Higher government official, I already explained in chapter number 12, bureaucrats. They are standing there with the placards and garlands in hand and waiting for someone to welcome. Now you see, they saying, here, look at those people with garlands in their hands. I think they have come here to welcome some visitors. Who is talking? Aliens. It means they are saying they are standing here. They are waiting for someone. Yeah, look, a group of foreign tourists coming from the exit door. Exit door. They must be foreign delegates. Delegates means those are coming from the foreign and those are able to speak out and they are here for some special work. The fleet of cars have gone inside this gate and we have to see which building is this, why they are going inside. They are thinking maybe they are going inside the embassy. But when they saw aliens are peeped inside the building, they saw this is not an embassy, it is a hospital. Again they are thinking why the people are coming here willingly, why they are here for the treatment in India. So these are types of questions which arise in their minds and they are trying to solve with the help of by solving the mystery of health sector. They are saying, I think there could be some very important reason for their visit to this hospital. Maybe they are coming here India for the special treatment. There is something special in this hospital. And afterward they saw the registration counter and there they are having two queues. One is for the foreigners and one is for the Indians, and the fees of the foreigners is $5,000 and for Indian it is rupees 500. So there is so much difference between the fees of registration of foreigners and Indians. Then also the queue of the foreigner is bigger or the longer than the Indians. This is the mystery. You have to try to solve why there is long queue of the foreigners with high fees. Also you have to write your views in hypomania and try to solve this mystery also, why the foreigners are coming here for the treatment. So now we are going to see defining health. What do you understand by health? Can you see downside? Two pictures are given, one of the hospital and one is the polio vaccination campaign. And this type of scene we are able to see now also in these days also because of the corona time. Hospitals are also filled like these patients, corona patients. But there is difference between in this picture and the real life. And mask, no one has wear the mask, doctors not, and PPT kit is also not there. But scene is same going on these days and it will also increase corona patient if we not follow the instruction of the government. It means wearing the mask and keep the social distancing. So we will see like this scene everywhere in all the hospitals. Again Afadek is here, is asking the question from the Robonorm. Afadek, what are these people doing here? Robonorm, they are unwell, have come here for getting cured. It means they are not well. They are here for the cure, for the treatment. After that, what happens when they are cured? When they treated, they will get well soon. What happens? Robonam, they will get rid of the particular ailment. It means disease, and they are suffering from and be healthy again. And afterward, they will become healthy. After that, what do you mean by being healthy? Healthy, according to you, what is meaning of healthy? So again, we have views of Robonam. Being healthy means, in smaller terms, free from illness, diseases, injuries, physical manner. But in broad manner, it is not. Health means complete physical, mental and social well-being of an individual. It means we should be physically fit, mentally fit, and our society also fit. Or we need clean and safe water, adequate amount of food, proper sanitation facilities, sufficient space to live in, a clean environment. If our society, our street, our houses are neat and clean, what happens? Diseases will spread with the help of the mosquitoes and fly. And one more example is there, which is going on these days also, coronavirus. If the person is got corona positive, he is not keep himself or herself for the quarantine, what happen? It will enhance in full city or the increase in full city. So healthy means physically fit, mentally fit, socially fit, everything neat and clean, safely, proper food we get, safe water we get for drinking. So all the hygienic conditions, basic facilities, when we get and we are free from the diseases, it is being healthy. That is fine, but who assumes responsibility? Who has the responsibility of our health care? This is the responsibility at central level, union government, and at state level, state government. And government also get help from the private sector also, means private hospitals also, private clinic, private doctor also treating the people. And this is our primary right also, and it is mentioned in our constitution through article 21. What are the parameters of being healthy? How we define healthy? First, safe drinking water. When we get the safe drinking water. Hygienic condition means neat and clean area. Good living environment means our city is hygiene, our sanitation system is proper, our houses are neat and clean. Active and healthy lifestyle, it means we have to eat proper food, healthy food, good food, proper balanced diet. It includes dal also, rice, chapati, salad, fruit, milk. If we are getting everything properly, and so these are the parameters of being healthy. Healthcare facilities in India. How many types? This is a two types, public healthcare and private healthcare. Public healthcare means government healthcare, and private, you know, private hospitals, clinics, these are private sectors. And public healthcare includes hospitals, dispensary and primary health center also. It runs through the help of the state government or union government. And you know, we are the largest producer of the doctors. Near about 15,000 doctors qualify every year from the medical colleges. And other medical servants also, like hospitals, clinics, doctors, laboratories, these are also part of the healthcare facilities in India. What is public healthcare system? Now we are going to see more about the public healthcare, not about the private healthcare. So first is, it has to work for the public. All the government of the state level or the country level have to work for the citizens at very low fees. This government set up health centers, hospitals, laboratories, blood banks, provide ambulance services. It comes all in under the government sector. It is a responsibility training medical staff, paramedical professionals, means those are helping to the doctors and nurses, medicines also, and we need diagnostic facilities also, are also made available free at cost or very nominal cost for the people, citizen of India, by the government. Why we are saying it is public health care? Because it is set up for the public के लिए बना by the government. Funds, how they are running? They are running on the taxes which are paid by the citizen of India. These taxes government use for the well-being, for the health care of the people, of citizen of India. And it is in both the areas, in rural also and urban area. It includes hospitals, dispensaries, medical colleges, hospitals. Health service given by the government is the primary duty of the government. It means good health to all the people, irrespective of their socio-economic background. Maybe people are rich or maybe poor, but government give to all the people equal, without any discrimination, health service. These facilities are meant for all. It means for all these facilities, government hospitals for all, without seeing the socio-economic background. The government is able to prevent the spread of communicable diseases such as, so it is also responsibility of government to prevent the spread of communicable diseases, means diseases which are very complicated and easily spread in the society, like tuberculosis, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, like this. So these are different diseases, communicable diseases, which who will prevent? Government, through the vaccination. We also have taken some vaccination at the before the age of 5 now. So that if vaccination is going, have you seen the polio vaccination is going after 3 or 4 months in every area, and healthcare camps also going on. So these all are the responsibilities of the government about the healthcare, about the health of the citizen of India. Thank you, students.